I didn't prepare anything today, to be honest. My phone was dead pretty much this whole week. But I'm just gonna speak straight from my heart. So what my siblings were saying, they're all lying. I'm the favorite. My name is Barry, and I'm the second eldest. This is my partner and my 2 kids. It's hard to describe this woman because, like my brother said, she was a woman of many things. But I'm just gonna, a recent call with Mum, which was her last Sunday in Samoa before they came to New Zealand. I was actually hoping that she was actually calling me to say, oh, son, te rau raku maro chips maro kokore, whais kokore saro whāro. I was like, yeah. Nah. Like, hey, wā mei oko? I was like, yeah, le mangu ia mako, wā. Sa ngua mei o. O whatua wai. Mei, yeah. Okay, viri aku, pēma whai ngā mau, me so kupe whākau i so. Tāpia so. O mā ko oko, so reo ure penka. Those small talks with my mum, I will miss. The Sunday calls, she'll call me at once on Saturday. Saturday ingu, man kua e roku mare on Saturday au sa. Yeah, okay. Ora Saturday boy up everything. Just gonna miss every single call from you, even when I'm at work, and because we're not even allowed to answer phones at work, but yeah, I just sneak off and tell the boys, oh, sorry, I got a sore stomach. I really am just going to answer the phone, and my mum's like, yeah, kuku mai risi whawira. Mo me sori mas fu kara pe so kara nga se api ya, e lana fu aku kara. But the kara to her is $100. So I was like, money was nothing, but the love she had for all of us, that's what I'll cherish. And everyone that's in this room today, that's how I know how much my mom has touched a lot of people. And yeah, I thank every single one of you that's, had the chance to meet this woman. Yeah, no, thank you. Mom, e manguira maranga. Aku podi. Nera kango ba ayo ba ngai. Ai ra fa ya Scott ma ana e manguira ko hausi ri ba sore. Ja, afkai, ngui po.